students. Let us try to understand today about of secularism and the Indian Constitution. What is secularism and what is Indian Constitution? The Indian Constitution, student, retracts the idea of secularism born through India's freedom struggle and as the guiding principle of its founding fathers and mothers. Secularism in the Indian Constitution implies equality of all religions. All religions means here like Hindu, Muslim, Sikh, Isai, Christian, etc. Constitution implies equality of all religions. It prohibits discrimination on the basis of any particular religion. The word secular was incorporated in the preamble of the Indian Constitution by an amendment in 1976. The people of a state are assets of the non-discriminatory and secular policy of the state through the nucleation of rights as well. In order to ascertain the sanctity of one's religious beliefs, the founding fathers and mothers enshrined the right to freedom of religion as a fundamental right in chapter 3rd of the Indian Constitution. Now, separation of religion and state. The Constitution makes, yes students, the Indian Constitution makes felt it important to keep religion and state separate for the following reasons. Number first, enabling the country to function democratically. A democratic state should not discriminate on the basis of religion. All religions are equal before the state in India. This helps to prevent the domination of the majority over the minority. Protection of the people's right to freedom of religion. Under the right to freedom of religion, every Indian citizen is to freely follow his or her conscience with regard to religious beliefs. In other words, following a religion is a matter of personal choice for any individual and the state should have no role in it. This is an conformity with the spirit of secularism enshrined in the Indian Constitution. This is most important, students. Keep it in your mind. Okay, thank you.